Hello, welcome back to Listen and Learn. My name is Jami, and today I want to talk to you about something very real, something very personal, something that can change your life. Today's topic is how to achieve your goals in a short time, not in 10 years, not one day, but starting now. Let me be honest with you. Most people have goals. Almost everyone wants more money, more skills, more confidence, more success. But very few people actually reach their goals. Why? It is not because they are lazy, it is not because they are stupid, and it is not because they are unlucky. It is because they are confused. They don't know what to focus on. They don't know what really matters. They don't know how to use their time and energy. And slowly, days become months, months become years, and one day they look back and say, I planned a lot, but I did nothing. If this sounds familiar, this video is for you. In this video, I will not motivate you with empty words. I will not tell you just believe and leave you. I will give you clear steps, simple steps, practical steps. You can use these steps for money goals, skill goals, career goals, life goals. And yes, even if your life feels difficult right now, even if you feel behind, even if you feel poor, confused, or scared, stay with me. This video is long, but it is designed to change how you think and how you act. Let's begin. The truth about goals. No one tells you this. Let me tell you the truth. Goals are not magical. Goals do not work by themselves. Writing a goal is easy. Reaching a goal is hard. Most people fail because they do too much at once. They want money, fitness, English fluency, business, confidence, social media success, all at the same time. This is a big mistake. Your brain cannot focus on everything. When you chase everything, you catch nothing. Here is a powerful rule. One season, one main goal. Not forever, just for now. Ask yourself this question. If I could change only one thing in my life in the next 90 days, what would give me the biggest improvement? Pause the video now. Think about it. Write it down. This is your priority goal. Now, another hard truth. Motivation is weak. Discipline is strong. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. You don't need to feel motivated every day. You need a system. People who succeed don't rely on feelings. They rely on habits. Small actions done daily without excuses. Let me give you an example. A student wants to improve English. He studies 6 hours one day, then stops for 10 days. Another student studies 30 minutes every day. After 3 months, the second student wins. Why? Because consistency beats intensity. Remember this line. Short-time success is built by daily simple actions, not big plans, not perfect timing. The 5-step system to achieve goals fast. Now I will give you a clear system. Please listen carefully. Step 1. Clarity over dreams. A dream is vague. A goal is clear. Bad goal. I want to be successful. Good goal. I want to earn $500 per month online in 6 months. Bad goal. I want to learn many skills. Good goal. I will learn one high-income skill for 90 days. Your brain needs clarity. Clear goals create clear actions. Say this with me. I choose clarity over confusion. Step 2. Cut distractions without mercy. This step is painful, but necessary. Your phone is not neutral. Social media is not free. It steals time, focus, energy. If you want fast results, you must protect your focus. Ask yourself, what activities move me closer to my goal? What activities waste my time? Be honest. You don't need to delete everything, but you must create rules. Example: no social media before work. Phone away during study time. One fixed focus block every day. Success requires sacrifice. Temporary sacrifice, permanent results. Step 3. Daily non-negotiable action. This is the most important step. Choose one small action that you do every day. No excuses, no discussion. Examples: write 200 words daily. Practice English 30 minutes. Learn coding 1 lesson. Apply to 3 jobs daily. Small, simple, daily. Even on bad days, especially on bad days. Say this sentence out loud. I show up even when I don't feel ready. Step 4. Track, adjust, continue. Most people quit too early. They don't see results in 1 week. They feel disappointed. They stop. This is a trap. Progress is invisible at first. That's why tracking is powerful. Use a notebook, a simple checklist, a calendar. Mark every day you show up. If something doesn't work, don't quit. Adjust. Same goal, better method. Step 5. Identity shift. This is deep. Listen carefully. You don't reach goals by doing more. You reach goals by becoming someone new. Stop saying, I am trying. Start saying, I am the type of person who does this. Example: not I want to learn skills, but I am a learner. Not I want money, but I build value. When your identity changes, actions become natural. Reality talk: pain, fear, money, and failure. Now let's talk about reality. Life is not fair. Some people start rich. Some start poor. Some have support. Some are alone. But responsibility is still yours. Yes, money problems hurt. Yes, fear is real. Yes, failure is painful. But staying the same is worse. Most people are not scared of failure. They're scared of effort. They're scared of looking stupid. They're scared of starting small. But every successful person started small. Every skill was once confusing. Every expert was once a beginner. You are not late. You are just early in your journey. Pain is not your enemy. Comfort is. If you want a different life, you must do uncomfortable things daily. No one is coming to save you, but that is good news because it means you are powerful.